If this reading is for you, it'll automatically resonate. Let's see what's coming out for you today. Okay. See, it's like you are being asked to consciously make the decision now to grow into your higher self at this point, like become a better person, consciously make that choice. You are also being asked to lean more into spirituality, like become more spiritual in your own way. Some of you all are atheists over here, some of you can be philosophical in nature, some of you can be consuming more of self development content, some of you can be more religious in nature. Whatever works for you, whatever resonates with you the most, make that an anchor in your life and bring more stability in your life, because there's a lot of instability within. You have gone through life with a lack of direction, with a lack of purpose, not knowing what to do, a lot of confusion, sometimes situations outside of you also not being conducive enough. So it's like at this point y'all are having to start over in a lot of ways. There's a lot of fear inside, expecting the worst possible outcome. So you'll need to find an anchor that brings some stability from within. There's also a possibility that you experience extremely high highs and extremely low lows in a day, where again you are just extremely happy at one point and then like it drops into a low mood. This is because your negative belief system is kicking in. Again, I'm not going to say that your situation and the environment that you're in is completely conducive for like smooth growth, smooth healing, for you to become a better version of yourself. But it's like the attitude that we have towards it gets a little better when the negative belief system is not so hardly cemented within us, because of which you all are being urged to find an anchor outside that provides some kind of guidance, some kind of direction, because it does seem like you could be very lost, not knowing what to do, what is your next step, and that fear of starting over is only adding to it. So find an anchor for yourself. This could also be like reaching out to a therapist if needed. So yes, find an anchor for yourself. I think that's going to help a lot. That's it for today. I hope this helps.